Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to personalize your home screen. So basically home screen is the place whenever you put the application on your iPhone here. So this is the applications that I have on my home screen. If we want to reorganize the position of the application, it's totally possible. How to do that? You just need to go click the application while have like a bit of movement, like click and little bit movement until like they start to be shaking like this. And after they got shake, you just need to drag it into the specific area that you want to place them. And whenever you got them right, you just need to leave it and you just need to go click done. The next thing you need to do is just customizing the wallpaper. How to do that? You just need to go to settings and you just need to like scrolling down until you find this wallpaper. So I will not gonna change the wallpaper picture, but I would like to customize it. So you just need to go click this home section. So this one is for the lock screen and this one is for the home screen. So you just need to click customize and you just need to go click plus button with the photo informations right here. The next thing you need to do is just go slide this into the left side and you will see the picture is start to be changing. So this is the original, and whenever I slide into the left side, that will become a black and white because they added a filter on it. And then whenever you slide it again, that will be like a dual tone. So you can get or choose the tone that you want to have here by go click this color and you just need to pick which color that you want to have it. And there will be also another one, which is whenever you slide it, there will be a color wash here. You can also pick the color that you want. And for me today, I will let to pick the dual tone and I will let to pick the color with this. Yeah, I think this one is quite good. And then you just need to go click X whenever you're done. You can also pinch the size too. So pinch with two of your fingers to make it bigger and into inside to make it like smaller. Okay, I will cut them. Then you just need to go click done, and now you just need to back into your home screen, and here is the result. So that is the way how to customize your home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.